Yeah. We about to bring it back. Yeah. Tell me you was in the building, let them all know. We about to run them straight back out the door. Don't come in a house and disrespect us, cause we ballin' on them girls and it's always just a must. I may say that we may not be the best, but when we get you on the court, your score gon' be less. We run this, don't put it to the test, cause we ballin' on them ballers and it's always just a must.
It's your girl B, Busy coming straight out of H-Town. Yeah, I'm just a freshman, but I still know how to put it down. I shine so bright. You might wanna put the sunners on my team looking right. So I hope you ready. If you know we go hard or go home, nothing else. Always playing on our level, keeping losses to yourself. Separate on the court with us, you in trouble, boo. Cause at the end of the day, we coming out with a W. Reject, hey, hey, go reject, hey, go reject. Hey, yeah, tell me you was in the building.
Y to the B, Y to the B.
Ain't no other teams got nothing on we.
Y to the B,
What?
Y to the B. Ain't no other teams got nothing on we. Hey, and we out. Your girl V and your girl Treasy.